Hey everyone, I'm trading on Bit2Next this morning at 81x cross leverage. I'm using a time phenomenon. We have been green all night long. Green and pumping on the 1 hour. So everybody's excited. They're emoing, emotionally entering over the top. Yes, we will go over 104, but there's a phenomenon that happens at 6:32 a.m. called the lull. Most people never see it coming. But we know it happens because of the Bitcoin time paralysis. Let's go up here. I love this group. There's a link for this down below. So let's go to Oracle Strategies. There are critical times of day when things happen. And when we pump all night, usually there are AM pumps. Oh, the price is going down already. Look, here it comes. It's 6:30 a.m. in New York City, the only place that matters. So inside my group, part of the things I teach people for free is critical times to watch out for. The overnight witching hour dump. Okay, it doesn't always happen, but when you see them, you could catch them. The lull is the quiet moment. It happens around 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. Especially when we pumped all night and people think it's just going to keep going up. A pump is like a wave. There's no TA, there's no Elliott wave. It just goes up and down. See, this has been a mega pump all night. So I'm waiting for it to come down. Now, normally I don't trade against such strong momentum, but I want to catch a moment. It only takes a moment to win. So I entered already. Yeah, against direction. It's down 10%, $554, but it's okay. I know where my liquidation is. We were already at 103.7. As we get closer now into the lull, the sleepy moment, doesn't always happen, doesn't always last long, but you must be aware, especially when you're longing like this. So I will show you momentarily as we get into the lull. Right now, my trade, let's take a look at it. Let's go over to futures. Probably down 10%. Oh my gosh, I am green already. Guys, look, I knew it would come. See, when you're shorting, it only takes a moment to win, which makes it amazing and so exciting. So let's take a look here. We want to be around 10 or 20%. That's why we use the higher leverage, 81x. But if you understand your liquidation and your current price, and working with the limitations of the exchange that you're on, you can beat it. Look at the price dropping. Nobody's seen it coming. They still don't see it. They're blind. Here, they're excited. They've seen it pump all night. They're emotionally buying the top without even seeing it. So I will just wait. I can't believe I'm turning green already. I was down just a few minutes ago, 554. I got into this on purpose. Yes. Pumped all night. So the idea is this would, having this knowledge would prevent you from, looks like a perfect long. But soon you'll see red bubbles of liquidation because these people don't know how to look further. We have something called a drill down. Everything is a pump or dump. Let's drill in to this pump or dump and see. Oh, it's first seen on the 15-minute. Oh, there it is on the 5-minute and on the 3-minute. Now on the 1-minute, we don't really use that, but it'll just show if this is getting stronger or weaker. I would guess it's getting weaker just from the wick. I would expect to see a green here. No. All right, we are entering into the lull. Oh, most people don't even know about this. You know how I learned about this? 8 years of leverage trading and teaching others. Now, I'm offering you a free invitation to my strategies. You can come in, see my daily trade updates. We're active all weekend. Yes, the Ravenite Social Club. That's where you first start. People in blue just got here. People in green had paid for my enlightened consultation and lifetime access to one locked room where all my traders are, called the Consultation War Room. That's your ongoing help room after the session. How do you find out about it? There's a link below the video, or when you come in the Discord, just ask. How do I get Oracle's consultation? How do I book it? I'm not here to sell you anything. So there's special consultation videos. Then there's my link room, below this video, you can learn all about the consult. Click show more right on your phone. The Oracle testimonials, teaching all of them how to do this. Look, over 101 new testimonials since yesterday, day before. 31%, 22%, Mike D, 32%, Nash, 18%. Try to get a little higher on that. Try to get around 20 to 30. But look, 32%, 37%, 48%, Francis, my friend, 43%, 22%, Max Divs. Unbelievable. Okay, this guy 6x'd his wallet. Look, started with $300 today.
3Lmock0 said started with 300 wallet. Currently, USDT 464 and BTC 0.0137, 1,429. TVL equals $1,893. Which means I have 6xd my wallet. Tayo.
3 out. Bro, you've been here for years. That's really amazing. 6 times what you came with. This is not a casino. This is a skill. Johnny Boy has been here for like 5 years. 44%, 42% ETH. Look at that. Triple T, 32%. Johnny Boy again, 37. Guspan, you're here all the time. You're at every video. Thank you. You're always there. 20%. Epic. Westman, you've been here forever. 68%. Max Divs, you're new. You came over from the ETF world and realized that the velocity of money is here in crypto. Nowhere else. Johnny Boy again, 51%. Goosebond, 43%. Mikey Boy, 30%. Capital Gains, 32%. Dippin', here forever. Mikey Boy, 37%. Again, came over from the stock world. ETFs, knew nothing about this. They come into my world and they experience my life. I'm in profit. Just starting to get there. I had some software glitch. You know what's happening? Look, we're down to 566 from over 600. My last few videos, like all the red bars showed up as green and all the green showed up stoned and they were blue. It was crazy. And I want you to come in the Discord. Click the link below the video. It says Oracle Free Crypto Discord. Come down to testimonials. And then come and meet all these people for real. Sis Lord, that dirty, nasty Ada. The AIDS 50% short. It's just amazing to see their stories, their battles, their triumphs. Crypto Joker, 139.97%. Wow. Other people and places don't show this. They do TA, technical analysis, horoscopes for crypto. Could you imagine? I'll be out of my trade by the time you see this and ready to go long for AM pumps. This was just something short. I just really wanted to check my software, make sure that we're seeing the proper alignment on the colors. And I want to introduce you to my Discord. Let's walk through all the rooms. Daily trade updates. You should mute every other room. Okay? Look, 3-minute BTC update and in the moment. But look, you can go here. Oh, not that one. You don't want to do that. Somewhere there's a gear where you can mute all the rooms. Keep this one alive. Because then every time somebody posts, you're going to hear about it. Okay? And they post good morning and all that. Consultation war room, consultation videos and private things. You know, I've been doing this. Look, Ethereum was 164. I don't know. Say it don't work. Say whatever you want. We got real people here. So then there's the testimonial room. Then there's the links. It's everything you find under the video, plus all my channels. It's really great. Strategies. This is a room that has stuff that will blow your mind. This is a private loom. The evolution of leverage. A loom is not on YouTube. It's something I just record for you. More private looms. How to call a bottom. Discord only. It's here for you to see for free. I'll make this the first link under the video so you can find it. So there's lots here. Oh, this was the greatest thing I ever created. certain numbers tell you if Bitcoin is going to break down to the next lowest number or move forward to the next higher number. If we're at 105, you want to know, are we going to 106 or are we going down to 104? This video, this system in the strategy room will teach you. Oracle, why do you do all this? Why is it for free? What's going on? This is the only thing you could buy. I'll never DM you. I'll never friend request you. A fraction of a Bitcoin, I teach you personally in a Zoom call. I don't care what you know or don't. I'm going to gamify it like a game of war. Red Army versus the Green Army, like Call of Duty. And I'll teach you when to get in, when to get out. How to savagely rip trades without technical analysis, without staring at the screens, in your free time. A skill. Imagine. It's not a video course or anything. It's a session with me and then ongoing live help in the Green War Room. A skill you have forever. Make way more money than college ever got you. That's for sure. The velocity of money is everything. The speed in which you can get rich is what really matters. Making money now. Stop buying crypto and trying to save it. Start earning crypto. Save some. Cash out the rest. And just like that guy in the testimonial room, 6 extra wallet. 6 extra wallet. So you pay once and you're in forever. But the Discord is free. This is for my session and the ongoing help for life, which comes from the consultation war room. I've been doing this for 8 years, so long that when you come down here, I never update this, right? In the little video here, I don't even remember what it was about. But there's these testimonials which I've never updated, and these people, like CoCrypto, he's an admin here from 2021. Remember I showed you Johnny Boy? This is his testimonial from November 19, 2021. It's 2025. They're still here. They never paid another penny. They are the ultra elite. And I'm not offering you a handout. I'm offering you a hand up. Whether you choose to come in and purchase my consultation package, or you just want to come in and trade with us and learn our ways of war on the 1 minute chart, everyone is welcome. Summer's coming. You're going to be out playing with yourself, walking your dog. Crypto never sleeps. It never stops. The weekends are wild. It's not like the stock market where the fun ends. It's like nothing you've ever experienced. And being in a community of like-minded people is like nothing you ever experienced. There are fake oracles everywhere. Telegrams, YouTube. This is how you get in touch with me. Say, Oracle, if you're in my Discord, include your Discord username so I know who you are. What's the BTC address? When can we book this? I want to talk to you. And you don't have to say a word. You don't have to have questions written. I go through it systematically. First, I teach you exactly how I read only the candles. We don't need anything else. Then we go over entries and exits. I literally walk you through what I call the street fight. Then at the end, I teach you direction. We go over how to determine momentum and direction in the moment, because that's all that matters. Not the price of Bitcoin 5 years from now, 5 minutes from now. Yeah, that's our world. Leverage degeneracy. Now, I don't talk in my consultation about anything that I teach you here for free. None of this. This is all free in the Discord, like the 086, the breaker. Okay, it explains, you know what? I'm going to recopy this to everyone. Let's go ahead and share this with everyone. We have people from all around the world, new people joining all the time. Because this still matters. The 086. Wow. And let me link them to the original room. Here it is, May 2023. Copy message link. This is a learning place. No TA, no technical analysis, none of that. We're still all green. It's about 7 a.m. You notice something? This candle is smaller than this candle, but they're probably going to go over 104. This all works on human emotion. You know, not everybody has to buy my consultation to learn. Below this video, okay, is a link to the Discord like I told you. I never message you, I don't friend request you. Don't get scammed even if it looks like me. But somebody knew. Just asked a question while I had you paused. Where do we begin? See, this person said, where is it? Up here. Here.
Silvestar9233 said on the top of that, excuse my ignorance, is this newbie friendly? I watched a lot of your videos, but I still didn't understand how you trade. I came from a forex world.
So I answered.
Oracle said, wow, where do we begin? Oracle said, we only us eth candles, nothing else, no volume, no ta, nothing.
Oh, look at that. Oracle's busy and makes typos, and you know, I hope that all of you get rich enough to never have to care about typos. All right, so no TA, no volume. We use only the candles. We take direction from the 6 hour and the 1 hour. It only goes up and down on the small time frames. Once we know direction, we enter and exit on the 3 minute, which only pumps and dumps. But once we know the direction from the higher time frames, it's like cheating, putting the odds in our favor. The smaller, again, typo, good job, Oracle. The smaller the candle, the weaker the move. The bigger the candle, the stronger the move. So we could actually read the immediate future. It's a form of perception. That's it in a nutshell. Then, let me correct all of this for everyone, because this I won't stay forever. Even when you're new and you come in, there's a link to this in my DTU. Then we have the coordinates and the whole number game. I'd go to the drill down manifesto room to start. Look at this. Start at the top. Get an idea of how that works. Don't forget, I'm trading in real time, making a video, and trying to help people. My consult gives the secret sauce, but that's the most basic part of it. I don't push consults, I don't need to. Simplicity is the best, yes. So my group is like no other. We're here on the weekends, we're here day and night, and we're worldwide. So you're all welcome. I would suggest you come in and explore the rooms. Go to this drill down manifesto. What is that? Go to the top. Watch your first video, how to set up your charts. And then there's just some notes, some quick videos. Private drill down. How to read into the waves, the pumps and dumps. She's still pumping with direction. Let's take a look at the 3 minute. So I'm just chilling because no pump lasts forever. And I see the weakness coming. See, all it does go up and down. Look at that. You want me to show you an example? When everybody gets all excited and they long up here, they get liquidated. It'll probably happen close to 104. But let's go here. Look at this. These are 1 hour each. When I tell you it only goes up and down on the small time frames, do you see? Do you see where there's opportunity? Let's go to 6 hour. Every 4 candles is a day. Look at this. All it does is go up and go down. You got some chop in the middle. But that's all it does. So when you realize these patterns and you only work with the candles, you start to see things that other people don't see. The candles we use are called hike in a sheet. There's nothing else like it. So we went as high as 10. Well, let's pull the number up here. Let's pull up another calculator. So we were at 103,830 was the highest number I seen. What the hell? 103,830. If you're not getting these videos, YouTube probably unsubscribe you. Okay? Unsubscribe yourself, subscribe again. So we're going to start seeing liquidations here. You'll see bubbles of people who emotionally longed at the temporary top. I don't trade on BitMEX. I just use their charts. The exchanges I trade on are linked below the video. We've talked so long, we have slipped into AM pump time. So, we were going through all of this. I had to close that trade, okay? And hold on. I'm going to leave you guys a link for this below, so you can go ahead and join us in real time this weekend as we go over everything. The only real community in crypto leverage trading is yours to have and to hold. Just remember, I never DM you. I will never friend request you. If it looks like me and they try to become your friend, well, it's a scammer, an impersonator. And come in and read the secret sauce. Simplicity at its best. Everyone, have a wonderful day.